In this video we're going to do treble crochets and we're only going to be putting 2 stitches in. The number of stitches that it defines is defined in the pattern, so depending on what you're doing. So let's just say that we're gonna do our popcorn and it's only using 2 of them into this stitch here. Let's just say that for example. You're gonna put 2 full trebles into that stitch, so you have to wrap your hook twice, don't forget, and then you are going to then drop your stitch. So once you get your 2 done, drop the loop and come to the beginning one of the 2 and go from the front to the back and grab the loop and pull through. Okay, so let's just do it again. So let's just say it's right here, put it in. So this is a popcorn and you normally go from front to back unless it tells you otherwise. It's referred to as the right side popcorn if you ever have to do it that way. But if it ever said WS, meaning wrong side, instead of going from the front to the back to pull the loop, you go from the back and pick up the loop and pull back. And you can see it changes the direction of how they're popping out. So this is popping now towards the back, this is popping forward. So if you're ever looking for texture, this is the way to do it. So this is the treble puff stitch using only 2 stitches in 1 stitch.